Hey designers, and welcome back. Today we have a really fun Dollar Tree upcycle for you guys. We're going to take these trays from this to this, so you're going to want to stick around. For this project you will need some of the little vanity organizers, diamond wrap, and a hot glue gun. To begin our project, it's important to remove all the dirt, oil, and debris from our organizer. Now we want to find the back center of the organizer and begin placing our hot glue. You're going to notice that I'm placing that in two little strips, one near the bottom of our diamond wrap and one near the top. We're going to lay that diamond wrap right into place, pressing it firmly, making sure we're going in a straight line right along the bottom edge of the organizer. Now you can pre-cut your pieces so you don't have to worry about that whole little roll, but for me, I found it easier just to work with it like this. We're going to work all the way around using the very same process. Once we've made it around to the back side, we can go ahead and cut this final piece before gluing it in. We just want to make sure that we're going to line that seam up exactly so that there's not a lot of overhang or shortage. Then we're going to glue it right into place. When beginning our second row, it is important to align it exactly so that all our little rhinestones are in a perfect line. And to do this, we are going to now measure this piece. We're going to hold it until the very tip and then just cut it right to size. Now we're going to use the same process using two glue strips and assuring that our little rhinestones are perfectly in line. If you've done this correctly, you should have some straight lines making it look like one solid piece. We're going to continue gluing this side down and then we're going to repeat this process exactly the same way on the other side. Moving on up to our third and final row, you will notice that I already had some little pieces that fit perfectly, but you're going to need to cut yours to size. This little row only needs to be 2 rhinestones wide, so cut that to size as well, and then just begin gluing in place. And this is what it should look like so far. So we're going to have to trim the excess away. Just using a pair of scissors or a box trimmer, you can cut right through those little rhinestones. It will take just a little bit of effort, but you can do it, and you can make sure that you do it nice and cleanly. We do want this to look very professional with no jagged edges. And there you have it. This is what it looks like once it's all filled up. How beautiful and elegant, and it looks like you spent a lot of money when in reality you only had to spend $2. You can use this process to bling up any vanity trays that you already have at home. Just put your creativity to work. I want to thank you all so very much for watching.